Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Salt Lake City. The local time is approximately 8:47. For your continued safety, we do require you to remain seated with seatbelts fastened and luggage stowed until the aircraft is parked safely at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off. You may now use your cell phones and smaller handheld electronics off airplane mode. Please keep laptops powered off and stowed until you're inside the terminal. Connecting gate information can be found on video monitors throughout the airport, and there will be a Delta representative meeting our flight to assist you with any questions. We ask your assistance to keep the aircraft a comfortable temperature. Please lower your window shades and reach above you and open your air vents. This will help keep the aircraft comfortable for the passengers joining us next, as well as for yourselves while we are waiting to deplane. It's been our pleasure to serve.